Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making festive pancakes. The ingredients that we're going to need today are non-stick cooking spray, confectioner sugar. I'm using strawberries, but you can use any fruit of your choice. And I also have chocolate chips for garnish at the end, and just regular pancake mix, and also metal cookie cutters. Okay guys, first you want to mix your pancake mix, and all you want to do is follow the instructions on your box. Next you want to get your frying pan and lay your cookie cutters in there. And all we're going to do is take our non-stick cooking spray and just spray over the top, just like that. And you're heating your pan medium-low. The next, all we're going to do is pour in our pancake batter into the cookie cutters. And of course, you're just going to wait until they cook up. Then we're going to remove the cookie cutters and flip our pancakes over. Okay guys, once you see the pancakes bubbling up, they're almost done and ready for the cookie cutters to be removed and for them to be flipped over. And all we're going to use is tongs, and all we're going to do is pull up on the cookie cutter just like that. And we're going to do that to each of them, and then we're going to flip them over. Okay guys, I flipped them over, and as you can see we have some cute little holiday pancakes. Okay guys, here you have it, your holiday pancakes. All I did was add some chocolate chips and some strawberries, and I have a little bowl to the side with some syrup in it. And you can also take some confectioner sugar and just sprinkle over top lightly, just to make it look pretty. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys again for watching. Please come back. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.